Hey guys, let's see how to fix a projector not showing the screen on a Windows 11. Basically here I have my computer already connected to the projector. You see here that I have an HDMI cable. So it's connecting from the HDMI port from the computer to the HDMI port here on my projector. So I'm not using any adapter. If you are using an adapter here from USB-C to HDMI, you need to check the specs if your computer can handle that. Some computers cannot have the USB-C port connecting to HDMI. It depends on the specs, right? And also you just need to check the quality of the cable. I'll leave the link here in the description for a good quality cable. And if the cable is not that long, because sometimes the signal is just weak because you have a long cable, right? Check on that first, and then also just need to come here to the projector with the remote control and select the input, right? So here select the input, HDMI, and I'm good to go. So it's working, you see here with 1080p and 60 Hz. That's the resolution. You need to check this as well. So when I come here to my computer, I just right click and I check display settings. And here I see that I have my laptop mirroring the screen to the projector. And down here I can see the resolution. Right now it's using 1920 by 1080. But let's say the resolution is too high and the projector cannot handle high resolution. So to test, you just need to come here to the computer. Let's say you cannot see yet on the projector, right? But you can come here on the screen and lower down the resolution to, let's say, 1280 by 720. And you see that changes here, the size of the screen and everything else. And it's testing to see if it works. If it doesn't, it reverts back to the previous resolution, right? If it works for you, just keep the changes. So in this case, it's not the resolution, okay, but could be your case back there. So just check on that. And also, when you connect the cable, you need to select the output here. In this case, for a Dell laptop, for example, you just need to come here to the F8 key. When you press it, you see here the options to select what you want, right? If you want a PC screen only, duplicate, extend, or secondary screen only. In my case, I'm duplicating. If I just hit here extend, you see that now I have two screens working. And I can move the mouse and I see the cursor up there on the projector. And when I come back, I come here to the display, right? Just check on that as well. Let me just press F8 again and change back to duplicate. There we go. Something else that you can check is the driver. So if you come here to search and look for device manager, here you're gonna find your display adapters. And here see that I have the Intel adapter. I right click and click here on update driver. Search automatically for drivers and mine it's up to date. So I just close here. If yours is not working like this, you just need to update the driver, right? And pretty much those are the things that you need to check, right? Again, the cable, the USB-C port, if it's compatible, and also if the cable is not that long, press F8 to check if you're extending or if you're mirroring the screen, and also check the resolution and the drivers. Most of the time it's going to work. And finally here in the projector as well, you just need to change the input to the HDMI. And if you have a projector with more one input, you just need to come here and select the one that you need to use, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.